everyone, and welcome back to the English Journey channel. I'm so happy you are here today. This is the place where we learn English slowly, clearly, and with a big smile. My name is Jessica. I am your English teacher. Together, we will learn to speak and understand English step by step. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us. Are you ready? Let's begin our English journey.
Hello, Jessica. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Alex. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too, Jessica.
Great. Are you ready to learn English today?
Yes, I am ready.
Perfect. Today, we will learn about greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities.
Wow, that sounds like a lot.
Yes, but don't worry, we will learn slowly and clearly.
Slowly is good. I like learning slowly.
Good! Let's start with greetings. Greetings are words we use to say hello or goodbye.
Okay, greetings mean how we say hello.
Yes, exactly! Listen and repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Very good. Now let's learn how to say goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Excellent. Let's practice a small conversation. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Jessica.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Listeners, let's practice together. Say, good morning. Great. Now say, how are you? Very nice. You're doing great.
This is fun.
Yes, learning can be fun and easy.
Hello, goodbye, see you later. I can say them all.
Wonderful. Let's go to numbers now. Let's learn numbers from 1 to 10.
Okay.
Listen and repeat. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Great. Now let's count together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job.
Yay! I can count to 10 in English. Listeners, your turn. Count with us. Wonderful! Let's play a small quiz. What number is after 3?
4,
Good. What number is after 7?
8,
Excellent! Let's count backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was fun.
You're doing amazing! Now let's learn the days of the week.
Okay.
Listen and repeat after me. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great! Let's say them again slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Good!
That's 7 days.
Yes. Which day do you like, Alex?
I like Saturday.
Why Saturday?
Because no work and I can sleep.
Ha ha ha! Me too. Listeners, Which day do you like? Nice. Good choice. Now let's learn about objects, things we see every day.
Okay.
Listen and repeat. Table,
Table,
chair,
chair,
book,
book,
pen,
pen,
phone.
phone.
Good. Let's make some sentences. This is a chair.
This is a chair.
That is a table.
That is a table.
I have a pen.
I have a pen.
Excellent. Now some more words. Bag,
Bag,
computer,
computer,
cup,
cup,
door,
door,
window.
window.
Let's practice. I say a word, and you say, I see a.
Okay.
Book,
I see a book.
chair,
I see a chair.
door.
I see a door.
Perfect. Listeners, your turn. Pen. Great job. Now let's learn about food and drinks.
Yummy. I love food.
Me too. Listen and repeat. Apple,
Apple,
banana,
banana,
bread,
bread,
rice,
rice,
chicken.
chicken,
Good. Now drinks. Water,
water,
juice,
juice,
milk,
milk,
coffee,
coffee,
tea.
tea.
Excellent. Now short sentences. I like apples.
I like apples.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I eat bread.
I eat bread.
Alex, what do you like to eat?
I like rice and chicken.
Nice. What do you like to drink?
I like coffee.
Me too. Listeners, your turn. Say, I like. What do you like? Great answer. Now let's talk about daily activities, things we do every day.
Okay.
Listen and repeat. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I go home.
I go home.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I sleep.
I sleep.
Great. Let's say it all together. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I sleep. Excellent!
I can say my full day in English.
That's wonderful, Alex. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
And what time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8.
Good. Listeners, what time do you wake up? Great. Now let's play a short game.
I love games.
I'll say something, and you say the word in English.
Okay.
A thing you use to write.
Pen.
Good. A yellow fruit.
Banana.
Yes. A drink that helps you wake up.
Coffee.
Perfect. The day after Monday.
Tuesday.
Great job. The number after 9.
10.
Excellent. Listeners, your turn. What is white and comes from cows? Yes, milk. Now let's review what we learned today.
Okay.
Greetings. Hello, hi, goodbye, see you later. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Objects. Table, chair, book, pen, phone, bag, cup. Food and drinks. Apple, banana, bread, rice, chicken, water, juice, milk, coffee, tea. Daily activities. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I eat lunch, I go home, I eat dinner, I sleep. Wow, Alex! We learned so much today.
Yes, it was great.
You did a wonderful job.
Thank you, Jessica.
And thank you, listeners, for learning with us. Remember,